Welcome to Anil's TV Education. Today's our topic is class. In class we will discuss about subordinate class. So here subordinate class. What is meant by subordinate class? So here the subordinate class means it is also called as dependent class. So it does not give the complete information, it gives only idea, that is called as subordinate class. So here coordinate classes are of main classes. A main class is a grammatically independent in that it may stand alone to form a complete sentences. That so in the independent class it stands alone, so here it is called as main class. So when comes to the subordinate class, it is dependent, so it is depend upon other independent class, so that's why it is called as subordinate class. So here in contrast, a class which describes some part of the main class or which is other way grammatically depend upon the main class. So here it depends upon the main class, so it is called as subordinate class. A subordinate class cannot stand alone to form a complete sentences. So here it only gives the idea. So here subordinate class is also called as dependent class. So here example, she was late. So this is an independent class. She was late. So here if we listen here, because she had lost her way. So what happened, for what purpose she had lost her way? Is it given any meaning? No. So it is considered as subordinate class. So it depends upon the main class. So she was late because she had lost her way. Classes are of two types. They are dependent class or main class. So independent class are subordinate class. So here when comes to independent class, so it can make any sentence its own, that all comes under. He is reading a book, that comes under independent class. So here dependent class depends upon main class. So here dependent class are of 5 types. So we will discuss it briefly later. So here what is a main class means a class which contains a subject and a verb, it is called as a class. So here in a sentence, two independent classes can be connected by the coordinators like and, but, so, or, nor, for, yet, etc. So these all are comes under coordinate coordinate classes. So here example, I went to buy a car. So here this is I want to buy a car. It is a main class. So it is also called as independent class. So here another, I don't have enough money. So here this is also called as main class or independent class. So these two main classes are connected by but. So here but it acts as a coordinator. So here this is the two independent classes connected with the coordinators. Dependent class. So dependent class is also called as subordinate class. So here a dependent class cannot make its own sentence, but it leaves an idea and it alone cannot make a complete sentences. So it is called as dependent class. So here example, you see, after we had lunch. So here is there any meaning? So we are not giving any. So here giving only idea. After lunch what will happen? Whether he may sleep or whether he may go to any movie or whatever it may be. So here it's leaving only an idea. So it can't make a complete sentences. So here after we had lunch we went to cinema. So here after we had lunch it acts as a dependent class or subordinate class. So here we went, so it forms a complete sentences. So here dependent classes are of 3 types. They are adverbial class, noun class, relative class. When comes to the relative class, it is of 2 types. So one is defining class and non-defining class.